Good day, everyone. We are from BSIT3, and I am Iris Sofia Epson, and I am here to present our Arduino-based mini project titled Smart Gate Automated Barrier Gate System with traffic light using sensor and servo motor. So this project was completed with the help of my team members, Miyuki Takahashi, Lawrence Bustamante, Cyril Humildi, and Sean Kenneth Simbahon. So let's start with a project overview. So our project is a miniature version of a real-world automated barrier gate system. This is similar to what you would see at residential subdivisions, expressway toll gates, or parking areas. So the goal of this project is to create a system that automatically controls the entry of the vehicle using a sensor, a servo motor, and traffic light indicators without requiring any manual control. So these are the key components we used to building this project. First is the ultrasonic sensor, which detects how close an object is. Second is the servo motor to move the barrier arm up and down. The third are the two LEDs, the green and red for stop, green for go, and of course an Arduino Uno to process all the inputs and outputs. So how the system works. When a vehicle approaches the guardhouse where the sensor was located, the ultrasonic sensor detects it. Once detected, the red LED turns off, the servo motors lift the barrier, and the green LED turns on to signal that the vehicle can go or can proceed. So the system check if the vehicle has moved away. If it has, the servo motor automatically brings the barrier back down, and the green LED turns off and the red LED turns back on to prepare for the next vehicle.
So this is the circuit setup of our project. Before diving into the data wiring setup, this is the components that we use for this project. So first is we use a breadboard, an Arduino Uno circuit, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, uh, some jumper wires, resistors, and two LEDs. So this is the our circuit setup. First is we connected the 5 volts into the breadboard into positive rail and the ground to the ground circuit. Next is the servo connection. So the orange wire is connected to digital pin 2 and the red wire is connected to the positive rail and the black wire is connected to the negative rail. And for the connection for the ultrasonic sensor is the VCC power is connected to the positive rail of the breadboard, which is in the 5 volts, and the trigger pin is connected to digital pin 12, and the echo pin is connected to the digital pin 11, and the ground is connected to the negative rail. So why? So to summarize is the trigger pin sends ultrasonic pulse controlled by digital pin 12, and the echo pin is receive reflected signals read by digital 11. And the LED connection is the positive is connected to the resistor. From resistor, it's connected to the digital pin 8, and the cathode is or the short leg is connected to the negative rail, and for the red LED, the anode or the long leg is connected to digital pin 5, and the cathode is also connected to the negative rail of the breadboard. And yeah, and that's all. And this is the final output to our miniature, the final setup of our breadboard. So it's the same connection. We put it in a box which mimics a building, and we use some extension wires, extension jumper wires for the LEDs so it can be on top of a traffic light. And that's all.
So here are the code for this project barrier gate. First, at the top, a servo library is included. This allows the Arduino to control the servo motor. And then a servo object which is called S1 is created. For the next part, the pins are set. First, SP1, which is servo motor, is set to pin 2, and pin, which is for sending a signal from the ultrasonic sensor, is set to pin 12, and echo pin for receiving the signal back is set to 11. GLED, green LED is set to pin 8, and red LED is set to pin 5. For the next part, two variables are used to store the distance measured by the sensor and to compare it with the previous one. There also a get open variable to check whether the barrier is open or closed. For the setup part, the following things are done. First, the serial monitor is started so that the distance can be shown. And S1, the servo motor is attached to pin 2. And each pin is declared as input or output for here part. And in this, green LED is low or off, and R LED or red LED is high or on to show the gate is closed at the start, and servo is set to 90 degree, which means the barrier is down or closed. And now for the loop part, the ultrasonic sensor sends out the signal and waits for it to bounce back. The time it takes is used to calculate the distance in centimeters. The code checks this distance and prints it on the serial monitor. And here, if the gate is closed and the object is detects less than 15 centimeter away, the gate will open. Here's what happens in order. The red LED turns off. The servo motor servo moves to 0 degrees, which means the barrier goes up. There's a short delay to let the servo fully open, and the green LED turns on. The gates stay open for about 5 seconds. Once the object is gone and distance is more than 15 centimeter, the gates will close. So the green LED turns off. The servo moves back to 90 degrees, making the barrier go down, and there's another short delay to close fully, and the red LED turns on again. And the previous distance variable keeps track of the last measured distance, so the gate only opens when the object is newly detected. At the bottom of the code, there are a function that converts microseconds into centimeters. This helps the sensor measure how far the object is. These calls show how the Arduino can control hardware parts like sensors, motors, and LEDs to create an automatic gate systems.
Hello Sir Bokan, this is our project, our little miniature automatic toll gate system. So diri sir sa project nagamit ang mga cars o building, duha ka building diri ang guardhouse o kung asa nabutang ang mga breadboards o circuits. So sa diri sir sa guardhouse, makita nato diri kaning mga lignin nga na diri na duha ka buok, mao na siya ang mga sensor. Nya diri ang servo motor og ang barricade na gamiton nato pangpaharang sa dayan. Tapos diri makita nato ang LED lights na naka-red kay wala pa may niagi na mga sakyanan na ato gamiton. Yeah, so mag-sample na sir. Sample nato ning black car. Kung moagi ang black car diri sa guardhouse or kung asa na-locate ang sensor, automatic saka ang barricade nya makita nato na green ang LED lights. Pasabot ana na open na siya. Nya kung moagi ang car, automatic siya og red. Nya i-close na sa barricade ang agihan. Tapos another example sir, green car. Mo agi siya sa guardhouse kung asa ang sensor. Nya kung mula po siya, mo close ang barricade.